Hi, I'm Laura. I chose to do my presentation on India's healthcare policy. First thing I'll talk about is coverage, and I'll start with the public financed health insurance. In principle, India has a universal health insurance system that's funded through tax revenue. All services at government facilities, including preventive and primary care, diagnostic services, outpatient, inpatient hospital care, they're all delivered free of charge. In practice, however, severe shortages of staff and supplies limit access to care. Most of the services under health packages like the central government health scheme and the employees state insurance scheme, those are free. These remain the most generous of health coverage programs, catering to a very small section of the population, which raises issues around equity. The next scheme is the private health insurance. Voluntary private insurance among Indians is limited despite tax exemptions for insurance premiums. The majority of private expenditures are out-of-pocket payments made mainly at the point of service. Private health care is primarily utilized by the upper class urban population. The next two schemes are government safety net schemes that are for high-risk populations, and the government actively regulates the private insurance markets. Currently, there are a handful of such programs, including the Community Health Insurance Program for the population below the poverty line. It's like Medicaid here in the US, and the other one is Life Insurance Company Policy for senior citizens, similar to Medicare. All these plans are monitored and controlled by the government-run General Insurance Corporation, which is designed for people to pay upfront cash and then get reimbursed by filing a claim. The next thing is about their public health care. India faces a growing need to fix its public health care system. There's wide gaps between the rural and urban populations. About 70% of the population still lives in rural areas and has no or limited access to hospitals and clinics. So consequently, the rural population mostly relies on alternative medicines and government programs in rural health clinics. Those that do access the public system face overcrowding, long waits, shortages, and sanitary concerns. In contrast, the urban centers have numerous private hospitals and clinics which provide quality health care. These centers have better doctors, access to preventive medicine, and quality clinics, even though they're not well regulated. High out-of-pocket spending results in part from patient fees charged by private health care providers. Private hospitals in India offer quality health care at a fraction of the price of hospitals in developed countries, which makes India a popular destination for medical tourism. India's healthcare sector provides a wide range of quality of care, from luxury private hospitals to facilities that deliver care of an unacceptable low quality. One study that I found noted that the cost of poor quality healthcare led to a yearly death rate of almost 122 Indians per 100,000. Several state governments in India have undertaken quality improvement initiatives primarily focused on maternal and child health. The quality of care is reflective in some alarming statistics. Indians rank well below the global average on the Healthcare Access and Quality Index created by the Global Burden of Disease Study. The World Health Organization notes that infant mortality rate is 30 deaths per 1,000 births. It should be noted, however, the infant deaths are more a symptom of a deeper social problem such as malnutrition and sanitation rather than just medical aspects. India's life expectancy is 68.5 years, and their per capita healthcare expenditure is about $269, which is about 4.7% of GDP. The key driver of India's healthcare landscape is high out-of-pocket expenditures, about 70%. This means that most Indians patients pay for their hospital visits and doctor's appointments with cash after care. Finding a good doctor in India is quite challenging. If you can afford the private sector, the most reliable way to find a doctor is through a family or friend referral. It's also recommended that you check their credentials before scheduling your appointment. If you have to use the public sector, good luck finding a doctor. The dichotomy of India's healthcare system reflects the enormous gap in health disparities. Closing the gap has really proven to be a challenge. I added a few pictures from my last trip in India just to close out, just to say that the country it's beautiful and it's full of culture. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.